Hi, I'm Joel from Belle Property Cairns. Welcome to another one of my market updates for winter 2021. The market in Palm Cove remains incredibly strong with very high buyer demand and very low stock levels across the board. We're seeing big demand from interstate buyers looking for holiday homes and investments in the area. This is equating to some very strong price growth across the board for Palm Cove. Median prices are on the rise. Palm Cove this year continues to show median house and unit prices up on previous years. The median house price is still on the rise, but has slightly normalised since my last update. The median price has gone from $510,000 to $640,000, up to 25.5% in the last rolling 2 years, with much of this growth as expected in the last 12 months. The median apartment price has moved from $330,000 to $298,500. This is minus 9.5% over the last 2 rolling years. This is actually down from a plus 7.6% increase from my last update. I do attribute this to many lower value apartments in the 100 to 200K range or slightly above exchanging hands rather than a legitimate decrease in market value of apartments. I would estimate, in my opinion, that approximately a 10% increase in value for most apartments in Palm Cove has happened over the last 12 months. Stock levels are down. Stock levels have fallen even further since my autumn market update, with currently just 1,851 properties listed for sale in the Cairns greater region. This is down from 2,028 just 3 months ago, and this is down from 2,603 at the end of March 2020, just as COVID was first felt. This reflects a huge 40.6% decrease in stock in the Cairns region. That's just massive. In Palm Cove, currently there are just 84 properties for sale, with many of these under offer. This is super slim pickings for buyers in a marketplace that generally has over 250 properties on offer at any given time. In terms of buyer profiles, still most are coming from outside the area, with affluent Melbourne and Sydney siders really leading the charge into our regional markets. Palm Cove, as always, is a favourite and does even more so attract these southern buyers. Here at Belle Property, we are remaining the market leaders. Belle Property Cairns has sold 58 properties in Palm Cove for the 20 to 21 financial year. To put this into perspective, in 2019, there were 130 sales in Palm Cove in total. In 2020, there were 162 sales in total. So currently, we sell approximately 40% of all properties in Palm Cove out of the 25 odd agencies that have sold in the suburb over the last 12 months. Belle Property Cairns has achieved approximately 140% more sales than the next agency in the suburb, which really continues to consolidate us as the clear market leader in Palm Cove, which is something I'm personally very proud of. Currently, I have 19 properties for sale in Palm Cove, with 11 of these currently under offer. So, if you're considering selling, stock levels are so low and inquiry levels are the strongest I've ever seen in my real estate career. I certainly need stock, as anything reasonably sought after seems to be selling very quickly. And I am selling around 25% of my sales off market to database buyers, although I do recommend listing them to the greater market as we have so many new buyers coming to the region. I certainly have a lot of buyers reaching out to me for many different property profiles, but I certainly have the strongest demand for the likes of Peppers Palm Cove, Sea Temple Palm Cove, Mantra Amphora, and Drift. If you've considered selling your property in recent years, now would be a really good time to speak to your area specialist. That's me. If you'd like to discuss the current value of your property or just talk through the market conditions in more detail, please feel free to reach out to me via phone or email. I'd certainly love to hear from you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this market update. All the very best and have a fantastic quarter. Until my next market update, ciao.